LML Repair stands and delivers. We do more than just fix your devices. We build trust, deliver quality, and ensure satisfaction with our service. Where every other repairer promises quick fixes, our values and principles set us apart. They are the basis of our success and the reason you can trust us with your prized gadgets. When you step into our offices, you are not just another ticket number. We understand how crucial your device is to your daily life. We take the time to understand your device's issues and how they are affecting you. Our technicians provide tailor-made solutions to ensure you get back a device that works exactly as you want it. From the initial diagnosis to the final repair, we keep you informed every step of the way. No surprises, no hidden fees, just honest service. Our team is made up of skilled technicians who live and breathe technology. They undergo rigorous training to stay up to date with the latest devices and repair techniques. From iPhones and Androids to gaming consoles and laptops, we've seen it all and fixed it all. We believe that quality is non-negotiable. We use only the best parts and tools to ensure your device performs like new. Whether it's a new screen, battery, or charging port, we source top-quality, authentic parts for every repair. Our technicians take the time to ensure every repair is done right, from proper alignment to thorough testing. We stand by our work with a lifetime warranty, so you can rest assured that our work is built to last. Most repairs are completed in under 30 minutes. However, while we work fast, we never cut corners. We're committed to providing high-quality service at prices that won't leave your wallet empty. We provide upfront pricing, so the price we quote is the price you pay. Simple as that. We're passionate about sustainability and believe that by choosing repair over replacement, you're keeping your device out of landfills and reducing electronic waste. Our repairs give your gadgets a second life, so you can get the most out of your investment. Choosing LML Repair means choosing a company that values integrity, quality, and customer satisfaction above all else. If you're in Seattle and searching for a repair shop that puts your needs first, look no further than LML Repair. Visit our website to learn more, or stop by one of our convenient locations. Let us show you why our values and principles make all the difference in your repair experience.